Good morning. I have a very busy day today, back-to-back meetings, so I thought I would do a dog walk and talk to you about what the Discovery Channel is after. So, welcome to the most amazing dog walk in the world. But anyway, so I have been contacted by the film producers for a new series. They're calling it a brand new home renovation series, and it's going to be called Be My Guest. And what they're after is not businesses, but people who are living somewhere where they intend to turn a space into a holiday rental. So this could be businesses if you're operating from your home, or if you live on site or something like that. So they're looking for something quite specific. So they've described it as an unused space in a home, in a person's home, where they're planning to turn it into a holiday rental. So if that is you, if you have a barn or a loft space or a quirky space or a boat or a spare room or anything like that you're planning to turn into a holiday rental, then they would like to hear from you. Now the key is that you need to be ready to start now. So they are hoping that you're going to be ready to start now or in the very near future from scratch, so from nothing, and they can follow you all the way through the process, and then to be completed by mid-August. And what they're offering in return is very exciting. So obviously to be on Discovery Channel, which is a fantastic way of getting launched with your new holiday rental business. But they're also offering that they will have a team of top interior designers come in and help you make it amazing, so that your guests and your future customers will just love it. So, I mean, how amazing is that? So these opportunities do not come up very often, and I have to say that I'm extremely excited to have been contacted by them. This is very reminiscent of the Amazing Spaces, George Clark's Amazing Spaces, when every time they do a series, they get in touch too. They're after businesses like yours. They are after a little bit of drama. They are after a little bit of the unknown. They're obviously wanting an exciting viewing experience for the viewers. So if you think you can offer that, then I suggest you get in touch with Eloise McGrath. She is from Frill Keen Films, and she is coordinating anyone who contacts their production company, the production house, and selecting those who they think is a best fit for what they're trying to achieve and what they're trying to do. So let me just say that again. They're looking for people who are going to turn an unused space, any kind of space, a quirky space, unused space in a home or near a home or on the land near a home, planning to turn it into a holiday rental. Has to be something like a barn, a loft conversion, a cellar, quirky space, spare rooms, houseboats, anything in between. Particularly, I'm sure they'd like to hear about quirky. And your project has to be ready for them to start filming pretty much immediately, and to be finished by mid-August, so no pressure. There will be pressure. So when I worked with Amazing Spaces, and thankfully managed to put them together with people that I knew who wanted to share what they were doing on the series, and it was it can be slightly stressful because the pressure is on. So don't forget that. But my goodness me, the benefits are amazing. So obviously a team of top interior designers will help you turn your space into profit. Now these opportunities do not come along very often. So I will be sure to include the contact details, but just in case, get yourselves a pen. Oh, I haven't written it down. So you need to speak to Eloise McGrath from Frail Keen Films, and I will include it in the description when I upload this film to the Facebook group. And you know, good luck everyone. If you want to speak to me first because you want to put it past me, because I have got quite a bit of experience of working with these companies and also Amazing Spaces, I'll be more than happy to do that and talk to you about what you're proposing and also the realities of what's involved. Be very happy to talk to you about that. Just personal message me and I'll go through it with you. So yeah, good luck everybody. I hope it turns out really well for you. I'm excited for you. What an opportunity. And if I can be of any help at all, don't hesitate to give me a shout. But anyway, I got to dash. I think I'm late for my meetings. Take care everyone. Bye.